Welcome to Spring Lib.
Consider an object that is resting on the ground doing nothing. So we can say that speed of the object is zero, which means that kinetic energy or momentum of the object is zero. However, the object has some potential energy because of its location and mass. So let's say the object is at rest at on the top of a building with height from the center of mass of the object to the ground. So that height is h. So the potential energy of the object is going to be mass times gravity times h. And even if the object is on the ground, the height of the center of mass of the object from the ground is going to be not exactly zero. Maybe a small value, but not exactly to be zero. So in that case also, the object will have some potential energy. However, at the same time, it has zero momentum because it's not moving. So if an object with zero momentum can have potential energy. However, if you are talking about something in a reference frame, that is, if something is moving in a reference frame and has non-zero momentum mv, then it must also have non-zero kinetic energy half mv square. So if momentum is not equal to zero, this means that kinetic energy is also not equals to zero because both of them are dependent on the speed. Therefore, if one of them is not zero, this means that speed is not equal to zero, and therefore the kinetic energy also cannot be zero.